The Regional Assembly shall give its opinion on the following issues: the status of the traditional chiefdom. I don't know how that will function. Is that not also coming? Is that not also the duty of the Minister of Territorial Administration? Then, secondly, the management and conservation of historical sites, monuments, and vestiges. That's also Ministry of Arts and Culture. The organization of cultural and traditional events in the region, and then the collection and translation of elements of oral tradition. That is what the House of Chiefs.
That means the House of Chiefs in charge only of culture, tradition. You would take somebody who has gone to school, because it's a traditional ruler, you reduce him to cultures, to tradition, to status of chiefdoms and fondoms, where he has something to offer the nation. I have said this special status, this Cameroon government, I'm very, very sincere, is like the shape of a camel. A camel is the most shapeless animal in the world. It has the torso of a cow behind. It has the leg of an elephant. It has the neck of a giraffe. It has the mouth of a hippopotamus. This government copies things from other countries. I want to ask that, who is their role model in special status? Because they must have copied it from somewhere. I know 40 nations and 121 regions in the world that practice special status, but Cameroon has nothing in resemblance with those 121 regions. It has nothing with the 40 nations. France, that happens to be our own colonial master and who is the one trying to introduce a special status here, has 7 regions in France that enjoy special status. Britain has 7 regions. Russia has 26 regions that enjoy special status. China has 6 regions that enjoy special status. But none of those special status reflect what we have here. That's why when Archer says a cacophony, I am 100% behind it. Because you don't go and begin. Then the only thing that has happened in the past is that the name of government delegate has been changed to city mayor. You know that what? The special status came to maintain position and to change names. In order to satisfy some disgruntled individuals in North and Southwest, they have created offices to put them inside so that they could be paying them for a job they are not doing. Because I think that they have added more offices when there is no job. Check all these recent offices. There is nothing these special status or these so-called offices created are coming to do that the other officers have been in place were not doing it. What is culture? Under the Ministry of Culture, they are telling us that if there are going to be 20 classrooms, Massa, even a principal can do that one now. C'est la politique de l'éducation. So education has another politics apart from the normal politics we are running. There's a delegate of secondary education, delegate of basic education who carries out those responsibilities. Then we are now creating a commissioner for education to come and occupy. That's why I say we should dismantle this thing and go back to the federal system, because this one is costlier than the federal system. We used to have 2 persons occupy one office in the 2 different regions, but we have now 6 persons occupying one office in these regions that we are creating. Creating what kind of job? They say the chiefs, the chiefs, as a matter of because they are chiefs, their lives are circling all around culture. Responsibilities that before these chiefs ever came as a House of Chief, the Ministry of Culture was running it smoothly. How do you explain that Magufuli comes to power? There are 30 ministers, he reduces them to 19. Then we are increasing offices in a country where the bodies never needed to pay the people. We used to have Ministry of Territorial Administration and Decentralization. We have broken it down to Territorial Administration and Decentralization. Under the decentralization, we are creating offices again and more responsibility when there's not even money to manage the people. I think we should be sincere with the issue of special status. The whole thing is a drama. And to even consider the fact that it was used to appease the Northwest and Southwest to curb the Anglophone crisis, they are instead igniting more problem. Because the people who have been appointed and they have no responsibility, they will be the next bone of contention that the government will face. So the next phase of amber is coming through these regional offices that they have created and they have kept people in the air. To think of it, people are taken from Minister of Territorial Administration and appointed as Secretary Generals in councils. It will shock you that there's a mayor and the Secretary General of a mayor, the mayor is somebody who left Enam and has stayed under the Ministry of Territorial Administration. There is no job, and then he is appointed as Secretary General to a council because he couldn't find a job. Now, if they are taking people who are trained from Enam to come and run councils, where are the individuals who were elected? Then we are now creating more of it. Me, Commissioner of Education, chiefs are there to do what?
Think of artifacts. They should manage
Artifacts.
and museums.
Oh God. As if we even have the museums.